Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be making a mini notebook, and there's a rubber band going over to hold this piece down, and once you flip it over to this side it opens up and there's some pages you can write in it. So yeah. So guys, what you'll be needing is a long rectangle piece of paper for the pages, a long piece of card or cardboard for the cover of the book, and I have this part. It's just gonna be like it's gonna have this elastic, so you also need elastic around it. That's gonna keep it on the book, and then you need some scissors and a pencil. You also need a hot glue gun. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a long piece of paper, and we are going to fold how big we want the book is, like how big we want the book to be in its pages. So I want it to be about that big, the pages to be that big. And now I'm going to flip the page over. I'm going to fold it again, like that. And now I'm going to fold it again until we reach the end of the paper. There we go. Just going to quickly fold it. And now we're going to get our scissors. We're going to cut off this excess paper. There we go. Now we're going to get our piece of card. And we are going to measure. So we're going to put it like this along that line. Then fold the piece of card over. There we go. I'm going to fold this back, so just need to fold a little bit forward. I'm going to fold this back to see if it's in line. Because it's not in line, we need to take the paper out, and we're just going to fold it a bit more forward. Good. Now the paper should be in line. And now we're going to get our scissors again. We're just going to cut off that excess. Now we're going to get a hot glue gun. I got my hot glue gun. And we're going to put glue in the middle right here. So let me just... I'm going to put glue right on. I'm going to put glue in that middle. There we go. And now we're going to get our paper and quickly put it down. There we go. We're going to squish it till it dries up. Now it's like a book so far. And I have some excess paper here. So I'm going to take the scissors. I'm just going to cut the paper off. There we go. Now we're going to fold this over, and then we're going to glue this rubber band at the back here, and it's gonna go along and then here. So we need the pencil. We're gonna mark where the elastic is gonna be. So just gonna make a little line there, and then we'll make a little line here for the other piece. Now we're gonna measure to see how much elastic we need, starting from there to here. Now I'm gonna get my scissors and cut off that elastic. There we go. We got how much elastic we need. And we're gonna put some glue, little bit of glue on the tip. And we're gonna glue it down to here. There we go. Now we're gonna wrap this around. Like that. We're gonna put some glue on here. And we're gonna fold it over. And that is how you make little notebooks. So you can flip that over and it's a little book. That's it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.